Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've ever struggled to maintain the vibrancy and strength of your color-treated hair, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about a product that promises to boost shine, improve elasticity, and repair damage. The Joico K-PAK Color Therapy Color Protecting Set. Now, if you're someone who loves keeping their hair fresh and healthy after color treatments, this one's got your name written all over it. So, what exactly does the Joico K-PAK Color Therapy Set bring to the table? Well, this is a color-protecting hair care system designed for people with color-treated hair. It includes the shampoo, conditioner, and a deep conditioning treatment, all working together to help rebuild damaged hair, improve strength, and bring back that glossy shine that can often fade with constant coloring. The standout ingredients in this set are keratin and argan oil, both of which are well known for their ability to repair hair from the inside out. Keratin works to restore the hair's strength and elasticity, while argan oil adds that luscious shine and helps seal in moisture to prevent dryness. Together, these ingredients promise to give your hair the nourishing boost it needs, especially if you've gone through the wear and tear of multiple color treatments. In terms of application, the shampoo lathers well and feels gentle yet effective in cleansing without stripping the hair. The conditioner is rich and creamy, providing that smooth texture that helps detangle and soften your hair. But the real game changer for me was the deep conditioning treatment. You can leave it on for a few minutes and it's like a mini repair session for your hair. After rinsing, I immediately noticed that my hair felt much more resilient, with a soft, nourished finish. Now, let's talk about how this product worked in real life. I've been using this set for a couple of weeks, and I've definitely noticed a positive difference in my hair. I typically have fine, color-treated hair, and after using the set consistently, my hair feels stronger and looks shinier. The elasticity is definitely improved, and I'm not dealing with as much breakage as I used to after brushing. If you're someone who frequently colors your hair, this set could be a great addition to your routine. But of course, no product is perfect, and I did experience a couple of minor drawbacks. First off, if you have extremely thick hair, you might need to use a bit more product to fully hydrate and detangle. It's not necessarily a con, but something to keep in mind depending on your hair type. Also, while the scent is pleasant, it's not as long-lasting as I would have liked. But these are small issues in the grand scheme of things. When it comes to value for money, I'd say this set is a solid investment. You're paying for a high-quality product with ingredients that are known to make a real difference in hair health. Given that it helps repair and protect color-treated hair, I think the price is justified, especially considering the long-term benefits. Plus, you get 3 products in the set, so it's a good deal overall. In comparison to other color-protecting sets on the market, Joico stands out for its use of keratin and argan oil, which are proven to be effective at repairing and conditioning hair. Some other brands might focus more on fragrance or cheaper fillers, but Joico has focused on ingredients that actually work to restore your hair's health. The packaging is simple yet functional, and I've found that the products last a while, so I wouldn't expect to repurchase too quickly. The shampoo and conditioner are generously sized, and the deep conditioner, though small, goes a long way when used as directed. Now, I haven't had direct interaction with Joico's customer service, but based on their brand reputation, they're known for being responsive and helpful. If you do happen to run into any issues, I'd expect a quick resolution. As for product updates, there haven't been any major changes to this particular set recently, but if there were, I'd be excited to see how they improve upon an already solid formula. For those of you who are looking for more affordable alternatives, there are options out there that might fit your budget while still offering some benefits for color-treated hair. However, I'd recommend this Joico set if you're after something that's proven to be effective for repairing and protecting your color. So, after giving this set a solid try, I'd say it's definitely worth the hype. If you're dealing with color-treated hair and looking for a way to boost strength, reduce breakage, and maintain that salon-fresh look, Joico K-PAK Color Therapy might be just what you need. It works best for anyone who colors their hair regularly and is looking to protect and nourish it at the same time. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in trying the Joico K-PAK Color Therapy set, You'll find the link in the description or comments below. And if you've already used this product, let us know your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.